Hello and welcome to my course on data analysis with pandas, one of the most in-demand skills required to become a data scientist. I am Ankit Mistry, an instructor for you in this course and have been teaching on Udemy on various topics like data science, Python. I am having a background in a data science, machine learning and having 8+ years of experience in a software industry. Data is the new oil. Data scientist, data analyst, is one of the hot career part of 21st century. So if you want to become a data scientist, this is the right place for you to get started. This course will help you to become a proficient in a data analysis with one of the most in-demand Python data analysis library, Pandas. We'll be working with the real-world data in this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to analyze the data from varieties of different angles. And in addition to become master in a data analysis task, I am expecting you to know little bit about the Python, even though I am going to cover one crash course on a Python in this course. This course contains 80+ HD quality video with 8+ hours of content. Udemy always gives 30 days money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is nothing to lose at your end. For more information about the course, look at the curriculum and a description of it. And by enrolling this course, let's dive in data science world together.